this $17.5 million Manly beach house is better than anything at Bondi. And once you've seen the location, you'll see why too. Located in Manly, just a quick ferry ride from the CBD, this architecturally designed masterpiece is immersed in mesmerizing northerly panorama views of the ocean's horizon and the Central Coast. Enjoy the convenience of direct access to Shelly Beach and the walkability to the famous Manly Surf Beach. Truly a world-class trophy residence in an exclusive oceanfront setting. Situated on an 822 square metre block, the 4-bedroom home encompasses 330 square metres of internal floor space spanning across 3 levels. Enjoy your oceanfront terraces overlooking the crystal clear waters of Cabbage Tree Bay, and behold the beautifully landscaped gardens cascading down to where Shelly Beach meets the water. The glass-embraced contemporary retreat was designed with every conceivable luxury in mind. With limestone featured throughout the home, it is obvious that no expenses were spared in the construction of this residence. The home also has a self-contained granny flat with its own private access, perfect for either dual living or a 5-star guest suite. I honestly think that the northern beaches are nicer than the eastern suburbs. Although the northern beaches don't have as much elevation, nor does it have the city views, it still perfectly encompasses the Sydney lifestyle. Waking up at sunrise, going for a walk by the beach before going for a surf. The eastern suburbs will always reign supreme as the peak of Sydney, but I personally believe that the northern beaches are severely undervalued by most. With the largest surf breaks in Sydney and some of the most incredible headlands, Manly is definitely in my top 3 areas of Sydney.